everyone, so today Reid is going to show us how he is going to be making Korean fried chicken. And so we're really excited because I like fried chicken and
I'm Korean.
And Reid is Korean, so we know it's going to be delicious. Where did you get the chicken from?
It's a and we got it from Whole Foods.
Where did we get it from?
Yeah, we got it from Whole Foods this morning. So let's open it up.
So this is the second time we actually bought drumsticks from Whole Foods, and the first time they were very tasty and very soft. Like we baked it, I think. We knew that it was going to be good when we bought it the second time.
So
we bought what, 12
about
drumsticks?
4 pounds of drumsticks, which ended up being just 12, which is perfect for this family because we have 12 people. We're going to lay them out and pat them dry with a paper towel. I'm going to ask Vanna to throw this away. Okay, so you want to get them dry so they absorb the seasoning, is what I read online.
And this is the first time, right? You've never made fried chicken before?
I've never made Korean fried chicken before.
Okay, so you've made fried chicken before, just not Korean fried. What do you think makes it Korean?
The fact that I'm making it. Also, the spicy sauce that we'll throw in at the end after the chicken is fried. Okay, so now that it's dry, we're gonna add in and season with, we have salt, some black pepper, and some garlic powder. So we're gonna use our hands and get in there. Just season with some salt first. Okay, and some pepper.
And while we do this, Mom, what are you cooking for dinner?
I am making tomato beef tomatoes.
One of the plantation dishes that we have on the channel.
Okay.
Tomato, will this for you?
Yeah, that'll be good. Slippery suckers. So the next step, now that we've salted, peppered, and garlic garlic powdered our chicken, is we're going to get it ready to coat it so that we can fry it. So Cari has a plastic bag. We're gonna add in what is about 1/4 of a cup of baking powder, and then about 1/2 cup of cornstarch. Make sure we get all of that in there. And then what we're gonna do is, we saw this on another video, we're gonna add the chicken to the bag.
So what this does, we learned, is that it evenly coats all of the chicken when you mix it in a bag like this, which is really cool.
Brilliant, look at that.
Wow,
you should take
show
a
the
video of
camera.
that. Check that out. Evenly coated on all sides. It's amazing. So now that we have that ready, let's prepare our fryer. So we're using a thermometer, this thermometer, to measure the temperature of the oil. We want to get it to 270 for the initial frying of the chicken. And then when it gets fried and cooked, we're gonna take it out, and then we're gonna up the temperature to 400 and get that chicken like a crispy outside.
Ooh.
Yeah, like Popeyes.
Ooh.
Okay, so we heated the oil to 275 degrees exactly. So now we're gonna add in the chicken, and we're gonna cook the chicken in here for about 15 to 18 minutes till it's cooked, and then take it out and we're gonna plate it while we heat this up again to 400, and then we're gonna put the chicken back in so it gets that crispy golden brown outside. That's typical of Korean chicken.
And these are big pieces of drumsticks, so they may take a little while.
Yeah, so here we go.
They're kind of big.
Oh yeah, you hear that?
Yes.
It's important you get the skin on the chicken to get that crispy outside. It's good and important that you get a beer while you're waiting. There's a lot of downtime. So I tend to think that it makes cooking a little bit more fun if you're drinking while you're watching your food cook. Therapeutic. She's standing here because she's gonna make her beef tomato soon.
Is that okay with you?
Oh, that's totally fine. This is your kitchen. You do whatever you want.
Yeah, okay.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these out now because they've been in here for about 16 minutes, and we're just gonna let them sit. Okay.
They don't look very fried yet.
Because we're about to put them back in and get them crispy brown.
Ooh, like a double fry.
But what I need to do is cook the other 6.
Okay.
So what I added in here was, I forget the exact measurements, we'll put them in the description box below, but about 3 tablespoons of butter, about half a cup of gochujang, we put some ketchup, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, some chopped up garlic, some ginger that's chopped up, shoyu, and then we added some rice vinegar or mirin. And what we're gonna do is,
Honey, right?
oh, and some honey, about half a cup of honey. So it's gonna be a spicy, sweet glaze. We're gonna warm this up over on the grill, and then after we're done frying, we're gonna add this onto the chicken. So it's gonna be awesome. This is the Korean style. Otherwise, it's just fried chicken. We're gonna check the temperature to this and make sure this thing gets up to 400. We're removing all of the burnt pieces of the batter. Okay, now we're gonna put these back in. It's at about 400, and we're gonna, you see that? We're gonna fry these things. There you go, protect people.
How long are you fast
It
frying?
said not more than about 6 minutes.
Oh, where's the cheese? Where's the cheese? Where's the honey?
Golden brown, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. No. Yeah, so now that we have this going, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all the ingredients that we're using for the sauce into this saute pan. And we're going to let that heat up and turn into a sauce. And then the last step is to pour this over the chicken. And that'll make it the Korean fried chicken. So we'll give it a few minutes. So we have fried chicken. Wait, before I do this, Mar, do you guys want just the fried chicken by itself? Okay, so here's one for you, one for Maya, one for Tam. Okay, we're gonna add this Korean sauce.
But Uncle Reid just calls it sauce.
Yeah.
She whispered. It tastes like Popeyes.
Oh. Is it as good as Popeyes?
Homemade Mexican. Is it homemade?
Yeah, Uncle Reid made it.
Mmm.
How is it?
Really good.
Okay, so we're gonna try the Korean style fried chicken. Here it is.
20 years.
Everyone got to say cheers.
Mmm.
To me,
flavor.
just the right amount of spice for this family.
So totally
Yeah.
It is a little spicy,
requiring that, right?
but it's good. Salty, sweet, and a little bit of spicy.
Yeah,
I'm sorry.
very good.
Very good. Good job. Would you make this again?
Yeah. If I had the time.
It's really good, Reid.
Yeah.
It's very good. Delicious.
Press my watch.
We're gonna end this video here, and we will see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys make some Korean fried chicken.